तो हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल इंस्पायर ज्ञान पिक। तो पिला माने देखि पारथुओ मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट क्वेश्चन किछि आम हातरे लागि जाइछि। तो पिला माने प्रो सेक्शन रो किछि क्वेश्चन गुडिको जाकि तुम में बहुत इंपोर्टेंट पिला माने काउंसिल रो मध्य पढ़ी पारे। तो पिला माने काउंसिल कोन एही भितरु ही पढ़िबो पिला माने जा सिलेक्शन दिया जिवो एही भितरु ही पढ़िबो काउंसिल रे आ किछि बाहर पढ़िबो नै पिला माने तमे माने एही जहाँ किसी सिलेक्शन दौर पे ताकू पढ़ी दिव निश्चित भाव में सब्जेक्ट पारज पे पास करदेव आउ पे तुम 90% ऊपर निश्चित रख पे। तो किसी तो बाहर पड़ो ना देख पे यही भितर ही पड़ो देख लेटर टू गॉड देख पार पे लेटर टू गॉड आउ प्रो सेक्शन देख पार पे एट द हाई स्कूल देख पे फेस्टिवल नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया किसी इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दिया आम हाथ में आसी जाए पे। तो आज वीडियो को स्टार्ट करवा चलो पिला माने एटा टू गोड देखो पिला माने एक नंबर कोन दिछि व्हाट मेड लेंचो राइट द सेकंड लेटर टू गॉड व्हाट रिक्वेस्ट डिड ही मेक इन द लेटर। तो पिला माने देखि परतु आंसर कोन दिछि लेंचो रिसीव द लेटर फ्रॉम द पोस्टमैन एंड ओपनड इट कॉन्फिडेंटली he was not at all surprised on seeing the money. Such was his confidence when he counted the money. He got angry as it was only 70 pages. He thought gold could not give made such a mistake, nor could he have denied sending the money he had requested. So he was wrote the second letter to God requesting him to send the rest amount. तो पिला माने एतकी आंसर देखि परतो पढि तो बहुत इजी होछि पिला माने तुम मानक पई जेरा कि तुम बहुत हेल्पफुल मध्ये हेबो पिला माने। तो चलो पिला माने प्रथम क्वेश्चन देखि परथबो। तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन को देखो पिला माने व्हाई डिड लेंचो राइट लेटर टू गॉड पिला माने बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पिला माने एटा आंसर देखो द वायलेंट हेलस्ट्रॉम caused total destruction of Lencho's cornfield. He was greatly disheartened to see the damage of his cornfield. तो पिला देख पारथुबो he thought that they would go hungry that year, but he had unflinching faith in God. So he was wrote a letter to God and made his prayer to help him during his distress. He begged for 100 pages so that he would both sow his field again and feed his family. तो देख पार 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन एते सरीगला पिला माने बहुत इजी मते थिला तो हम पाए बहुत हेल्पफुल हो पिला माने। तो पिला 3 नंबर देखो कोन कहिची व्हाट वाज द पोस्टमास्टर लाइक हाउ डिड ही मैनेज टू सेंड सम मनी टू लेंचो। तो पिला माने आंसर देखो कोन कहिची द पोस्टमास्टर वाज फेट एंड फ्रेंडली द पोस्टमास्टर डिड नॉट वांट टू शेक लेंचोस फेथ इन गॉड सो ही आस्क्ड फॉर मनी फ्रॉम हिज एम्प्लॉयज he himself gave part of his salary. Several friends of his also parted with some, but only a little more than half was arranged. The postmaster put the money in an employed address to Lencho. The letter bore only one word, God. Thus the postmaster managed to send some money to Lencho पिला माने एतकी आंसर देखि परतो पिला माने तो माने स्क्रीनशॉट कर दियो पिला माने जदि जे माने पारचो पिला माने लिखि नियो नहले तो माने स्क्रीनशॉट मध्ये कर नियो पिला माने बहुत इजी होची पिला माने देखि परतो। तो पिला माने 4 नंबर कोन कुछ देखो हाउ वाज लेंचोस कॉर्नफील्ड डिस्ट्रॉयड। तो पिला माने देखो कोन कहिची आंसर रे just as Lencho's had predicted, big drop of rain began to fall at night. His joy knew no bounds as water was barely necessary for his field. But soon a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall. It continued for an hour. The field was completely covered with hailstones. As a result, the cornfield was totally destroyed ପିଲାମାନେ। ତ ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଖିପାରୁଥିବ ପିଲାମାନେ 4 ନମ୍ବର କ'ଣ ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଇଥିଲା ପିଲାମାନେ। ସ୍କ୍ରିନଶଟ୍ କରିନେ ନହେଲେ ପିଲାମାନେ ତୁମେ ଲେଖି ନେଇ ପାର। ତ ପିଲାମାନେ 5 ନମ୍ବର କ'ଣ ଦେଇଛି ଦେଖ ପିଲାମାନେ, ବହୁତ ସିମ୍ପଲ ମାନେ 5ଟା ପଢ଼ିଦିଅ ପିଲାମାନେ, 5ଟା ଭିତରୁ ହିଁ ପାଇବ ପିଲାମାନେ ତୁମେ। ଆନ୍ସର କହିଛି ଲେଞ୍ଚସ୍ cornfield was totally destroyed in the hailstorm. He became helpless and his soul was filled with sadness ପିଲାମାନେ। He stood in the middle of his cornfield. He told his son that the hailstone had left nothing. He thought that they would have to go hungry throughout the year. There was no one in the valley to help them. Still, there was a single hope, help from God. He hoped that God would certainly help him. तो पिलाମାନେ ଦେଖିବ ତ ସରିଗଲା ସେଇଟା। ତ ପିଲାମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆସ ଏଟ୍ ଦ ହାଇ ସ୍କୁଲ। ପ୍ରଥମ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କ'ଣ କହୁଛି ପିଲାମାନେ ଦେଖ, ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡଜ୍ ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ସେ ଏବାଉଟ୍ ହିଜ୍ ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସ ଏଟ୍ ସ୍କୁଲ। ଆନ୍ସର କ'ଣ କହୁଛି ପିଲାମାନେ ଦେଖ, ଗାନ୍ଧୀ ଗଟ୍ on very well at school. He did not have any high regard for his ability. He won prizes after he passed out of the second standard. In 5th and 6th standard, he got scholarship of rupees 4 and 10 respectively. He was not proud of his achievement. He said that he got the prizes more if for his good luck than for his merit. Gandhi got astonished whenever he won prizes and scholarship. तो पिलाମାନେ तुम स्क्रीनशॉट करनो नहले पिलाମାନେ तुम लिखिनियो पिलाମାନେ, बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। 2 नंबर कोन होची देखो पिलाମାନେ, हाउ डिड गांधी conclude that good handwriting is a necessary part of education. तो पिलाମାନେ आंसर कोन देछि देखो, when Gandhi saw beautiful handwriting of lawyer and young men in the South Africa, he was ashamed of himself. He also repented of his neglect. He tried later to improve his handwriting, but it was too late. He could never repair the neglect of his youth. Gandhi had to change his earlier nation on handwriting. He concluded that good handwriting was a necessary part of education. तो देखिबा तो 2 नंबर सरगला पिलाମାନେ। 3 नंबर कोन अछि देखो पिलाମାନେ, why did Gandhi dislike both gymnastics and cricket। तो पिलाମାନେ देखो आंसर टी कोन होउची, gymnastics and cricket were made compulsory for the upper standard boys, but Gandhi disliked both. He never took part in any exercise, cricket or football before they were made compulsory. His shyness was one of the reasons for keeping away from such physical exercise. He also had the false notion that gymnastics had nothing to do with education. So Gandhi avoided taking part in cricket, football or gymnastics. तो पिलाମାନେ देखो तो 4 नंबर सरीगला। 5 नंबर कोन होची देखो, 4 नंबर कोन होची देखो, हाउ वाज गांधी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट हिज कैरेक्टर। और देखो पिलाମାନେ, हाउ डिड लिटिल ब्लेसिंग ब्रिंग टीयर्स इनटू गांधीज आईज। तो पिलाମାନେ, गांधी वेरी jealous guarded his character. Even a little blasphemy in character brought tears in his eyes when he deserved or seemed to the teachers to inflict a rebuke on him. It was unbelievable to him once he received corporal punishment. The good thing was that Gandhi did not mind The punishment as it was his deserved, but the fact that he could not prove his innocence made him weep piteously. तो पिलाମାନେ ଦେଖିପାରୁଥିବେ ଆନ୍ସରଟି ଦେଖ ସ୍କ୍ରିନଶଟ୍ କରୁନ ପିଲାମାନେ ନହେଲେ ତମେ ଲେଖି ନେଇ ପାର। 5 ନମ୍ବରକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆସ ପିଲାମାନେ କ'ଣ କହୁଛି ଦେଖ। Why did Gandhi say that a man of truth must also be a man of care? तो पिलाମାନେ ଏଟା ହେଉଛି ବହୁତ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଯେଟାକି ବହୁତ ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ୍ ହେବ ପିଲାମାନେ କାଉନସିଲ୍ ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ବହୁତ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ। ତ ଏଟା ପଢ଼ିକି ଯାଇଥିବ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ପିଲାମାନେ। देखो आंसर पिलाମାନେ when Gandhi was in his 7th standard he was supported to go to school at 4 o'clock to attend the gymnastic class on Saturday afternoon. The weather was cloudy and he had no watch. When he reached school the class had already been over. He failed to attend the gymnastic class. Gandhi was marked absent. He told the truth, but he could not prove his innocence. The headmaster did not believe him and he was accused of lying. When he was ordered to pay the fine of 1 or 2 annas, he suffered from terrible anguish. He saw that a man of truth must also be a man of care. तो पिला एटा हूँ बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन टा पिला देखिपार देखो पिला 6 नंबर को आस कौन कौन आमर 6 नंबर देखो पिला व्हाट डिड गांधी से अबाउट द अबाउट हिज संस्कृत टीचर और देखो पिला कौन कही हु वाज कृष्णा शंकर पांड्या व्हाई डिड गांधी एक्सप्रेस हिज ग्रेटिट्यूड टू हिम तो पिला आंसर देखो कृष्णा शंकर पांड्या वाज गांधी संस्कृत टीचर ही वाज ए हार्ड टास्क मास्टर बीइंग ए डिवोटेड टीचर he made his student work very hard. He persuaded Gandhi to learn Sanskrit instead of Persian on the plea that he was the son of the Vaishnava father and it was a language of his own religion. Gandhi learned Sanskrit which helped him read the secret books. So Gandhi expressed his gratitude for him. तो पिला देख पार तो बर्तमान स्टार्ट होगा आम पे नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया पिला बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पिला देख ए गोटे पढ़ी जापार देखा पिला तो पिला 4टा अच्छी देख पिला कौन कहूँ हाउ डू द आसाम सेलिब्रेट बिहूज फेस्टिवल बिहू आर द सीरीज ऑफ द 3 प्रोमिनेंट फेस्टिवल इन आसाम पिला देख द रंगोली बिहू कनो आज द बोहाग बिहू marks the start of new year and the beginning of the sowing season. It is a spring festival which is celebrated in mid-April. तो पिला माने देखो कंगाली बिहू कोनो आज द कटी बिहू is celebrated in mid-October when the fields are lush but barns are empty. During this festival our Assams light the lamps and the pray to God for good harvest and to guide the souls to heaven. Bhogali Bihu kono as the Mag Bihu is a Thanksgiving festival which is celebrated in mid-January पिला माने it symbolizes the end of harvest season. तो पिला माने देखि दो एटा स्क्रीनशॉट करनो नले पिला लिखिनो तो 2 नंबर कोन कहूची देखो पिला माने how do people of Meghalaya celebrate their Wangala 100 drums festival. Wangala is called the 100 drum festival because 100 drums are beaten together during the celebration. The Goroj celebrate Wangala in the village of Meghalaya. This is the harvest festival celebrated in November to March, the end of the hard work and hope of the good harvest. The celebration features beating drum, blowing horns with traditional dress. So dance पिला माने the dance during the festival has 2 parallel line, one of men and the other for women. While the men beat the drum, the line move forward together in the rhythmic manner पिला माने तो 3 नंबर कौन होची देखो पिला माने हाउ इज द हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड इन नागालैंड पिला माने celebration of Naga festival is an effective means of preserving and passing down the oral history. There are two major festivals celebrated by the people of Nagaland are Mostu and Hornbill Festival. Mostu is celebrated after sowing season, dressed in colorful dress and headgear decorated with fire and wild boar trucks. Hornbill Festival showcases the cultural heritage of six tribes. Dance and sporting events are held during the festival where men and women dressed in full warrior costumes show off their hunting and warring skill. तो पिलाମାନେ ଦେଖ ଆଉ ଶେଷ क्वेश्चन 4 नंबर कौन କହିଛି हाउ डिड द पीपल ऑफ सिक्किम सेलिब्रेटेड देयर फेस्टिवल सिक्किम विषय ଦେଇଛି ପିଲାମାନେ सिक्किम इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया पिलाମାନେ The people of Sikkim celebrated their festival with a lot of pomp and show. They celebrated पिलाମାନେ कौन कुछ देखो their festival as per the Buddhist calendar. They observe Saga Dawa, a Buddhist festival, Losar, the New Year festival, Lusang, a Tihar festival throughout the year. पिलाମାନେ Saga Dawa is celebrated on the full moon day in the Tibetan calendar between the May and June. Losar is the New Year festival and Tihar is the festival of light. During the Lusang, charm days and archery contests are held along the festival and dancing and merriment. तो पिलाମାନେ ଦେଖିପାରୁଥିବ ଯେତେ ସବୁ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ क्वेश्चन ଆମେ କହି ଦେଇଛୁ ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଇ ଭିତରୁ ହିଁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଆଉ କିଛି ବାହାରୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ନାହିଁ ପିଲାମାନେ तो सब इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन थिला पिला माने जदि वीडियो तुम हेल्पफुल होता पिला माने तो आम चैनल को लाइक करिवो सब्सक्राइब करिवो कमेंट करिवो जय बोले नहीं पिला माने तो आज रखिलु धन्यवाद।